Peace be upon you. We always have this goulash roll in the freezer. We are confused about what to do with it. Today, I will show you a suggestion for a basic dessert recipe that I love to make every Ramadan. A wonderful mixture of the crunch of goulash with the softness of the kunafa and roasted Chinese nuts. This has a strong sweet taste and will make a good amount for you. And you can say that it will finish until the end, so you will miss it in any meal. You will need 500 grams of it. Kunafa. You can use it at room temperature, meaning if it is frozen, take it out and defrost it first. Or you can use fresh kunafa by separating it from each other without chopping it until there are threads left. Leave it like this. Then, I distribute 4 large spoons of powdered sugar over it and stir the kunafa with the sugar well until it is distributed over every place in it. I have a cup of ghee. I melt it and distribute it on the kunafa in this way. Then I take it. Rub the kunafa between your hands so that each piece of kunafa is distributed with ghee. The second thing I prepare will be a gelash roll. I put it in a towel and cover it well so that it does not dry. The last ingredient we need will be nuts. What kind of nuts are available to you? It may be hazelnuts, it may be Sudanese, and it may be walnuts. Chop the nuts a little coarsely so that they remain in this consistency. Take 2 sheets of gelash and do not forget to cover the rest. The quantity is so that it does not dry out with you. I take 2 large tablespoons of kunafa and put them at the beginning of the paper in this way. Next to them, I distribute some chopped nuts. We do not need to grate the gelash with any amount of ghee, exactly. The quantity in the kunafa is strong enough to spread the gelash for us, and do not brown the kunafa and fill it with crispy gelash. With a crispy taste. Very delicious. Try stuffing it while it is cooked like this. It will cook very well, but without taking on any color, it will be a wonderful combination of the crunch of the goulash and the tenderness of the kunafa. I wrap it in a roll well and tightly until I reach the edge of the paper. I take a smear of ghee with the brush and spread it in this way. Then I close it well so that it does not open with me during cooking. I have finished the whole quantity. You can put it as it is. This is in a rectangular tray and you cut it in the tray, or you can take every 2 rolls and measure like this with your fingers. Every 3 fingers you cut with a knife. Of course, take care of your hands when you cut. This method will help you if you divide the fingers somewhat evenly. When I finish cutting the whole quantity, take the pocket of an oven tray that has a good smear of grease on the base and on the sides. Then I start to put fingers in it. You can stop rotating the goulash in this way, and you can make it sleep like this. In both cases, it turns out delicious in the end. I completely melt 2 tablespoons of ghee and wipe the goulash with them so that it takes on a golden color. I bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees. The rack in the middle and open the fire from underneath, but until it takes on a golden color from underneath. When it browns from below, turn off the fire on it and put it down on the rack below and open the grill on it from above. As soon as it takes on a golden color, take it out immediately. At the time when the tray is cooking in the oven, we prepare the syrup. We need 3 cups of sugar, and I put 3 cups of water with them. And a slice of lemon. Stir the first half of the pot until the sugar dissolves with it. The first time it starts boiling, stop stirring constantly and lower the heat to the middle, exactly 10 minutes. This means that you can prepare it 15 minutes before the tray comes out, and this is a tray. When the goulash came out of the oven, it took on a sweet, strong golden color, and its smell was amazing, and it filled the house all the time, but it was filled with sherbet. A tray of hot goulash and the sherbet was hot all the time. You will drink the sherbet with you. And you will notice that the kunafa inside has become so fluffy and its size has become a little better. Let it absorb the sherbet and cool. And remain ready for serving. You can serve it plain or decorate it with a sprinkle of real nuts. One of the best recipes. The goulash that you can make tastes amazing and makes a strong, sweet quantity. It is suitable if you have guests. It is suitable for parties. So this is very sweet in the mix. The goulash is crunchy and the kunafa is deep inside with the roasting of the nuts like this. This mix is on top of each other and it is unnatural, and you are eating it because of the softness of the kunafa inside it. You will feel that it is stuffed with cream, not the kunafa. It is delicious and easy. Try it. And wait for your opinion. I will see you all in a new video and a new recipe. Goodbye, beautiful people.